Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and AI YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add here on FaceTune app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on FaceTune app, and once you download it and once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the FaceTune apps on the screen, where you can see the plus icon at the bottom. Just tap over there, and now you can choose any of the photos from here, and now you can see the hair option at the bottom of the screen. So simply click on the hair option, and now you can style or modify your hair from these options. So yeah, this is how you can add here on FaceTune app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.